Buenos dias, estudiantes. Today we're going to take a look at how to complete those HyperDoc assignments that you're getting in your Spanish class. So the very first and most important step that we need to do as far as working on this assignment goes is we need to make our own copy of it. We need to download, save our own copy of this file. So I am going to go up here to File, just like the directions say up there. I'm going to make a copy. So I'm going to go down here, File, Make a Copy. And notice it says copy of online Spanish HyperDoc. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my name in front of that. So I'm going to put Brown, copy of online Spanish. Notice it's going to save it in my drive. So I hit OK. And look, it's opening a new copy of the document that is my copy. Brown copy is open. I'm going to go back to the teacher's copy and I'm going to close that out because I now have my own copy and I don't need to worry about hers. So now I'm going to go through and I'm going to complete these assignments. So we're going to watch the video first here, and it looks like we've got some questions that go with it. Riveting drama, I loved it. Let's move on and answer the questions now. All right, who said "Como te llamas"? Pretty sure that was the teacher, right? All right, what did Paco say? All right, so then I'm going to move on and I'm going to do the Quizlet review. I would click that hyperlink there and that's going to open in a new tab for me and I can go play the Quizlet game. I've got some more questions to answer based on that. I've got a weekly vocabulary. I've got another link here to click on and that's going to open up for me. And I have an Explain Everything video that I'm going to watch to learn my vocabulary. Notice these other things are underlined, but they're not a link, right? It's just the blue one that's a link and something new to open. This is just underlined because it's something important. So we keep scrolling through here. We got another Quizlet game we can open up here to study those Quizlet flashcards. And we have a closing task with some questions to answer to complete there. So what we would do is we're going to finish all of our activities on here. And as we're working on this, it's going to be saving our progress as we go. Google Docs saves everything for you automatically. So once we are done with our assignment, we would then go back to Google Classroom and we're going to turn it in there. All right, so I'm done with my assignment. I'm ready to turn it in. I'm back in Google Classroom, you can see now. And what we're going to do is we're going to be on the assignment here. We're viewing the assignment. We don't just want to mark as done because then we're not turning in our work. Then we're just giving them back the teacher copy. So we need to go up here where it says your work. Notice it says assigned. We're going to press the plus, add, or create, and we're going to pick that file from our Google Drive. So there's my Brown copy of online Spanish. I'm going to click that to put the little blue box around it. The blue bar pops up on the bottom and I can click Insert. And it has uploaded my copy of the assignment. So I'm turning in my copy to the teacher. And notice I now have a blue turn in button. So I'm going to press that blue turn in button. And it's just confirming, making sure that's the right activity, right assignment that I want to turn in. And I click turn in, and that is going to be now sent over to the teacher, and it says that I've turned it in and that I'm done with my work. Now, if for any reason I need to make more changes to it and go back and finish something, I can unsubmit it to get it back, and then I'd have to turn it in again. But I cannot edit it or work on it further unless I unsubmit it first. Right now, it temporarily belongs to the teacher. We don't want to ask her for edit access. If we need to work on it, we just need to unsubmit it back to ourselves, finish it, and then turn it in again. All right, guys, that's how we go through the Spanish HyperDoc activities. So please remember to always be nice to everybody, and you guys have a great day.